In the previous section, we already learned about dynamic routing EIGRP. Next, in this section, we are going to learn about dynamic routing OSPF. But before that, let's set up the topology first. As always, we will learn OSPF with two routers first. So here, let's import two routers. And let's also import two PC. Let's change the name. This is router 2 and this is router 1. This is PC 2 and this is PC 1. Let's connecting router 1 to router 2, router 1 to PC 1, and router 2 to PC 2. For IP addressing, here router 1, the IP address is 10.10.10.1/24. Here 10.10.10.2/24. Router 1 that connected to PC 1 is 192.168.1.1/24. PC 1 192.168.1.2/24. Router 2 that connected to PC 2 is 192.168.2.1/24 and PC 2 192.168.2.2/24. Okay, now let's configure the IP address on all router and PC. Let's start with router 1. Now, enable, configure terminal. Let's start with fast Ethernet 0/0. So, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. The IP address is 10.10.10.1 to 55.255.255.0. Next, for fast Ethernet 0/1, interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown. IP address 192.168.1.1 to 55.255.255.0. Okay, now we have done on router 1. Next, let's configure router 2. No, enable, configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, IP address 10.10.10.2 to 55.255.255.0. Next, for fast Ethernet 0/1, interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown, IP address 192.168.2.1 to 55.255.255.0. Okay, now we have done configuring IP address on router 1 and router 2. Next, let's configure the IP address on PC 1 and PC 2. Let's start with PC 1. The IP address is 192.168.1.2 and the gateway is 192.168.1.1. Next, for PC 2, the IP address is 192.168.2.2 and the gateway is 192.168.2.1. Okay, now we have done configuring IP address on all router and PC. I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to configure dynamic routing OSPF so PC 1 and PC 2 will able to communicate each others. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.